What's going on, guys and gals? Welcome back to another week of video log, seeing how my podcast is going. Um, I wanted to talk about one of my viewers put a comment that, last week I tried something new. I tried it with the little background scenery, gives you guys something different, and some music playing in the back. So that way you guys aren't so bored. Um, Give you guys a little something different, and they commented and it said that it was like digital dating. I was laughing so hard. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys that comment because once I replied to it, I kind of don't know how to get back to it. I don't know how to view it. Um, and then I also want to give another shout out for this other channel that I'm not sure if subscribed to me, but they commented, really encouraging words to say that, we are a small channel to keep on fighting, that we'll make it. And I really appreciate that. And if you're watching right now, thank you so much. I know it's not much, but those words really, really touch me, really wants to make me keep on pushing. And I also checked your channel. It's also a music channel too. So I know we're both kind of doing something similar, but I also want to say keep on pushing, keep on going. You'll make it as well too. I know we'll both make it. I'd hope to. I can't find your channel anymore. I replied to you and I don't know how to find your channel. I'm so sorry. So, anyways, I just wanted to give a shout out. Just wanted to mention those two viewers in specific because it made me laugh and was really encouraging words. What happened? So one of the things I also found out was that I started recording a lot more. I started realizing that my neighbors apparently loves to cut grass, or they have the lawnmower or whatever it is. Seems to be doing some kind of lawn maintenance like every day for some reason. So I found it a lot more difficult to just record whatever it is that I want. It's always, they always seem to have some kind of grass to cut. They take turns or something like that. Like you cut on Monday, I cut on Tuesday. I live next to a school too, so they cut their grass as well too, pretty quite frequent. So it's really difficult to do some of the recording sometimes because the microphone picks up all that loud lawnmower noises. That's one thing. Another difficulty, unfortunately, my goal was to set up a bank, and I've been trying. One of the bank I wanted to open was Citibank, and every single day I drive by for like the whole last week, and I figured it's a work day, shouldn't be anybody around. I should be able to just go in, open a bank account, just that would be it. I'm not really into giving my information out online and everything. I'd rather do it in person. But every day that I went there, there's lines literally wrapping around the whole building. It's ridiculous. I don't know if it is because of the COVID situation. That's why it's so crazy. But or if it's that city is kind of slow. I don't know what it is, but every single time I come in there and it's super crazy packed, I'm really seriously considering about going to a different bank, because if that's the kind of service they provide, why would I ever want to go in there, spend 3-4 hours just to make a deposit or withdrawal or anything like that. So that's one of the reasons that I haven't been able to open the bank account. So it's either I'm gonna go look for another bank and do it with them, or I go online, open it online with Citibank. And I chose Citibank because they're one of the more popular ones, so there's more branches instead of just a smaller federal bank or credit union or anything. But we'll see. I have to decide which one's better. If you guys have any suggestions on which bank you like, that's free checking. I'm trying to keep it as frugal as possible. That's free. There's not too many requirements or anything like that. leave it in the comment. I would love to read it and try to do some more research on what kind of bank account I should open. Now that's the cheapest to help with the channel. I did not print my goals. I spent more of my time last week more focused on making the videos, the sliding PowerPoint videos, the quote videos. I made actually the whole week. I felt like I did pretty good. I did the whole week. I did at least 52, 53 weeks quotes. So that should, assuming I release once a week, that's good for a whole year. So now all I have to do is just process it. That's it. But at least I've made it and I've recorded it. So, which is one of the things that I learned. It went through a little bit faster. On to what I learned. I did learn how to do the green screen. Yeah! It's not much for you guys, but it's a lot for me, you know. I did do it the first time. If you guys check out the video, it's going to be somewhere down into the description. There should be a playlist. It's on my quote where it's a picture of a guy boxing. That's the first time I did a green screen, and I did it correctly. Also learned, like I said, to bunch videos, to make them together. So that was a lot quicker. I just repeated basically 52 times doing the exact same thing. So a little bit easier. The other thing was I overestimated what I could do, because I was thinking one of the days that I was going to make all of the videos, put all the quotes in and stuff, and then record them all. When I started doing it, you start realizing it took a lot longer than I thought it would. Then once I started recording, I was like, I'm going to at least do one day to record it all once. Still couldn't do that. It took me a few days to finish making it and finish recording it because of the difficulty of recording time, because of when I could actually record it. And sorry about that, I hit my hand. And because of the lawnmowers and everything. And also, I guess the good thing about me overestimating how much I could do is that it set a goal for me to keep on pushing, because when I was doing it, I'm thinking, oh man, it was really hard. How am I going to do 52 of them? You know, it's really hard. And then I just got really tired. So what I decided to do was to change my focus, to not think about, oh, how dreadful 52 pictures, how 52 slides were going to be. I just started focusing on one. That's it. It came to the point I was so tired while I was making the slideshows. I was just thinking just one more. I wasn't thinking about 52 or 32 more or 25 more. I was just thinking just one more. That's all I want to do. So tired, back pain, you know, sitting too long, sweating. And just one more, just one more. Next thing you know, it's one more. And then I think one of the days I ended up doing like 25 or 30 slides, which is actually not too bad. And then I did the same thing the next day and I was able to finish. So while I was doing that, repetition wise, everyone will find it boring, find it hard. But if you just see the overall process, it's gonna seem pretty daunting, pretty scary. But if you just break it down, just one more, just your next one, it makes it a little easier. And then you don't have to focus on the whole big picture, just one at a time. Let's see. With all that being said, everything's done. My next goal is I'm going to process all of the quotes, put the green screen, learn to put the green screen the like button, and then the subscribe or the notification button, and streamline it a little bit easier, so that way when I put it into 52 videos, It's not so crazy. Just got to figure it out. That's all. But I got to do that to streamline it, make it as easy as possible. And still work on the opening up a bank account. And I think that's about it. So that's the next week's goal. That's the next week's purpose right now. And I'll update you guys on the next one, what I learned, what the struggles have been, and the next week's progress. All right, thank you very much. You guys have a wonderful day and have a good one. I'll see you guys next time.